Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. The lesson name number is 18 and the name is Look Before You Leap. Page number 37. Long, long ago, there lived two little frogs in a pretty little pond. Colorful water lilies grew in the pond. Fishes started about and tiny insects buzzed around. The pond was full of life. The two frogs were very close friends. They had plenty to eat in the pond. All the day long, they played about jumping from lily pad to lily pad and diving headlong in the pond. They were the happiest little frogs in the world. Now I will show you the lily pads. These are the lily pads. The leaf of a lily flowers. It's called lily pads. Okay. The frogs love the rainy season. But the rainy season does not last forever. The rains stopped and the weather became hot. Still, there was a lot of water and life in the pond. As you know, in pond there are some fishes, there are some plants, aquatic plants, flowers, frogs, some insects, and many more things. If rainy season is not there, still the water is there, so life will be there. Okay, there was nothing to worry about it. In winter, the frog friends found cozy little place at the edge of the pond. They spent most of their time sleeping and resting. The friends of frogs found a little place around the edge of a sea, edge of a pond, and they've spent all day in by sleeping or resting and all. They don't do any work at all. They just sleep and rest. Okay. Soon it was summer. Now the days became very, very hot. With the hot sun blazing in the sky, the pond began to dry. Without water, the lilies dried up. There were very few insects to be found. The frog friends were worried. Do you think the whole pond will dry up? Now in summer season the water evaporates from the pond, then pond started lack of water was there, so the plants are dying over there, insects were very less over there, so frogs were worried about their food styles and all. The frogs were thinking about their livelihood now. So let's see what happened. Look like it's, said the other. What shall we do then? How shall we live? We must search a place where there is a plenty of water and food for us. They are just chanting and they are just talking between them only, the two frogs. Then they decided to search some good place for their food and the plenty of water. They searched for a river actually. In short, you are right, it is hard work traveling in the hot sun, but there is no other way. Come, let us start. The sooner, the better. If we travel together, the search will be easier. Understood? So the frogs left the drying pond and began to look for a watery place. They hoped and became very tired. Just then, one of them saw a well in the distance. They rushed to the well. The well was built in a stone and had a higher circular wall. The frog hopped onto the wall and peeped inside. The well was quite deep, but there was a lot of water still left at the bottom of the well. The friends began to jump for joy. We are so fortunate. Thank God that we found this well. Our problem is solved. Our search has ended. We have found a new home. Let's jump in together. One, two. Wait. Friend, this well is so deep, and there is water left only at the bottom. But we can surely dive in, however deep the well may be. Diving is our specialty. Why do you hesitate? The next frog said then. It has occurred to me that this well is also drying up. If it is dries up completely, we will have to leave this well too. I agree, but why do you hesitate now? The other fox said, it's because I see a problem. We can easily dive into the well, but what if the well dries up? Can we jump so high that we reach the top of the wall? Shall we be able to leave the well like we left the pond? You are right, friend, said the frog. I had not thought of this. It's good that you could foresee this problem. Let's not leap inside. Let's continue with our search. And so the little two frogs hopped on to the look for a safe shelter. How well it is said, look before you leap. Understood? So you have always look before you say, think before you speak, look before you leap. Okay? Darted, moved quickly and suddenly. Lily pad, one of the floating leaves of a water lily. Headlong, head first. Diving headlong means diving into the water with the head going into water first and then the rest of body. Next, the question answer is, answer the following question. First question is, what was the pond like in summer? Second question, why were the frogs worried? Third question, why did the frogs begin to jump for joy? Fourth, what was the well like? Describe in 2 or 3 lines. Fifth, what problem did the frogs see? Guess the meaning of the following phrases, then use them in your own sentence. Long, long ago. Second, all day long. Third, last forever. Fourth, jump for joy. Third. Fifth, the sooner the better.